come to the setup of the Mediabox Maverick, first thing you're going to see is the splash screen. The next thing you'll see is the Android TV animation. Then you will be sent to the remote pairing wizard. After that, you can choose your language. As you can see, there are a lot of language choices, so it's set up for literally almost anywhere in the world. After the language choice, you'll be directed to connect to either the Wi-Fi, or if you've already plugged in an Ethernet, you just click continue. As you can see, there are Wi-Fi networks even available, even if your Ethernet is plugged in. We're going to continue though with using the Ethernet. It'll also check for software updates on that first boot, and then take you to the Google sign-in screen where you sign in with your Google account. This can be either your work account that's signed up with Google, or it can be a Gmail address. The choice is yours. The main point of these videos is to help you set up your Mediabox or Android TV device. There are many ways to do 2FA. Once you get to two-step verification, you can use a one-time code, or what we generally do is tap yes on your phone or tablet because we have a Google account. You can also get a text message. Once you've logged in, you can turn on and accept all the terms and conditions and things, or not, and choose your preferences. We do have a list of apps we recommend depending on what region you're in. They'll pop up automatically just to make it easier to set up the device for your specific region. Once you're through that, you get to the home screen. From here, we will show you where all your apps are, and you can see that it's already pre-installed a whole bunch of those apps that are relevant for this example in the American market. We'll then take you through to the Play Store to show you how to install an app, such as Apple TV, assuming it didn't pre-install automatically, depending on what region you're in. Just to give users an example of how to install an app should it not be on the list of apps immediately. So it's quite a simple process. You just click on the Play Store, and then they'll pop up. And then basically you just choose the app you want, select it, click install, and then within a few seconds that app should be part of under your all apps. We're then going to take you across to a section where we show you how to add a favorite. So as you can see, you have all your apps there. All you do is you go onto the app that you want, to add as a favorite, click add, and then if you hold down, once you've added all the apps that you want, you hold down the middle button on a particular tile. It will let you move that tile left and right. There you go. And when it's in the desired location, just click OK, and then you can go and choose another one. Now we'll head over onto settings. Under settings, you get various choices. You've got your network, accounts, device preferences, TV settings. Now under TV settings, you have various display options. Your resolution, your position on your TV should not auto-sync. Also shows your Netflix ESN, show that you're a certified Netflix device. You have your accessories, so any Bluetooth speaker can be connected at this point. You just click add accessory and put the speaker into pairing mode, and that will enable you to pair it. As you can see, also it shows the remote's connected and how much battery's on the remote should you wish to know if you're running low. Sometimes if it does start jittering the remote, that's because your batteries are low, so it's worth keeping an eye on that. These are all the other kind of settings under device preferences. You can go to about, see your name. You can change the device name, of course, to suit your needs. And then that'll also pop up that name change in your Google Home, should you be using that. If you ever do need extra support, that's where you can also find your serial number and your MAC address. And also there's your firmware version and your version of Android, obviously being 10 at this point. There are various sound settings. If you use all the surround sound formats, there will come a time where you won't be able to change the volume from the Mediabox volume remote control, especially with amplifiers and TVs that have built-in Dolby features. So if you don't use surround sound, it's just plugged into your TV, you can switch those off manually, and then you'll always be able to control your volume from your Mediabox remote control. We hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, please like it, and if you need any help, leave some comments, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.